This video is going to walk you through the process of setting up your staff or faculty Microsoft 365 account, as well as showing you how to use your 1 terabyte of space on OneDrive. First, let's locate the link that I have provided to you by email. Click this link to get started. Once the page loads, scroll down and choose the Teacher tab. Continuing scrolling down until you see the Get Started for Free button. Click here. Now it's going to ask for your school email address. This is your school provided email that ends with @tcss.net. I have typed in an example email address. Type in your email and then click Sign Up. It's going to inform you that you already have an account set up by our tech department at TCSS. Now click Continue. This is going to bring you to your Office 365 portal where you are to sign in. Use your TCSS password that you use to sign in to iNow and to any other computer. Type in your password, and if you wish to stay signed in, you can click this box here. Now click Sign In. Almost there. Now click Start. It'll bring you to your Office 365 home page. It may take a moment for these icons to load. Once it's loaded, you'll be able to see all the applications that is available to an Office 365 subscriber. You have 5 installations of the Office suite that includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote that you are welcome to install on your personal devices at home. This can be either Mac or Windows. All you have to do is log into your 365 account on the device that you would like to install the Microsoft Office suite and then click this orange button. But remember, you only have 5 installations, so choose them wisely. You also have these applications below that can be used online without installing anything. Word Online, Excel Online, PowerPoint Online, and OneNote Online allows you to use a very similar interface such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote, but it's URL based and can be done on any computer that has internet access. We also have your OneDrive account, which is cloud storage where you can save all your files. You have up to 1 terabyte of space on this. Most likely you'll never fill this up. Click here and let's get started. Click Next. This is your OneDrive account. It's set up just like any other file management system. You can create new folders and organize files within those folders. The only difference is anything you put on this particular file management system will be synced online so that you can access it from any computer or device that has internet access once you log on to your Office 365 account and click on OneDrive. If you're using a computer that you plan to use every day, or pretty often, you can also choose this sync button to make it a little bit easier as an option to save things to it. I recommend clicking here now. Once that pops up, click Sync Now. It needs to know what application to open up. Microsoft OneDrive for Business is the one we'd like to open up, so click OK. It's not going to have you log in just one more time, so now type in your school provided email. Click Next and then type in your school provided password. If you'd like to stay signed in, make sure this box is checked. Now choose Sign In. It's automatically set to save in your users and then in your particular student folder. choose Sync Now. Once they are done syncing, you can go to Windows Explorer by clicking this or going down to the folder icon to look at your files. You will find your OneDrive for Business account found under the Favorites tab. This is currently empty, but we can go ahead and create some folders so we can stay organized within our OneDrive account. As we create folders, you'll see that they're loading and then showing a green check mark to show you that this is now synced online. If you go to your website, OneDrive, you can refresh the page and see that all of your files and folders stay up to date every time you save. This is good so that you can be able to work on lesson plans and other school-related items and save it to your OneDrive and pull it up on your laptop, iPad, even your iPhone when you get home so that you can continue working. OneDrive also has a sharing feature. If you'd like to share a particular folder or file with another person, you can click here. Here we can invite people by typing in their name or email address from our contacts and choose whether we want them to be able to edit or just view that folder or file. You can even write a message and say, please spot check this and make sure there are no spelling errors, and then choose Send. That concludes the video tutorial on how to set up Microsoft 365 in OneDrive. There are many other features that are offered. Make sure to make your account and get a feel of Microsoft 365 in your OneDrive account.